match is a round one for the Alpha Cup tournament. Making his way to the ring, he is the one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment. Once you capture it, just let it slip. Yo, his palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy, his vomit.
And welcome to the Alpha Tournament. This is round one, and we see that the bird is already in the ring, and his opponent is Dalton. For the Alpha Cup, taking his shirt back on. You got it. Oh, that's almost the cover. But now they're matching up.
Yep.
And now we see that Dalton Gate has taken control of this match. Oh, but not so fast by the Bird has got him in a submission move. What do you think about that, Sean?
I honestly think that the Bird's going to win.
And now he's doing push-ups. You get a little bit of cocky out here, then that's when you start losing focus because of the cockiness that he has. Now see, he just about messed that move up, but he looks like he's trying to size him up, and now
it looks like he copied the push-ups out of Mr. Amazing.
Now he goes for the cover. And so we see the 2 count. by Dalton Gates, and the bird gets out. But here comes the bird. He's not giving up quick. He is up against the turnbuckle. And now the bird.
And the bird is still flying.
Well, no, it's another reversal. And so they going back and forth in the turnbuckle. But this time the bird moves, but he counters. And what a hit! What is that? Oh, good hit.
Oh, no. I think he's going to get carpet burn.
Cover.
He's going to get carpet burn.
And that's just the 1 count.
A clothesline, he is flat.
And now Dalton Gates goes back and he takes a break. He's walking around the ring. And the referee is now counting. Nice command, but now, all right, they're exchanging blows. Now Dalton, the bird. Oh, and Gates uppercuts the bird, and now the bird is not backing down. Oh.
He just low-blowed him.
And he sort of just trips him up with it, but he trips him up, and now they're on the knees, and now they're exchanging blows again. Back and forth. Gates up against the ropes. Oh, it's a 2 count. Almost a 3. But it seems like Sean, that the ref is just taking his precious time.
Yes, the ref needs to hurry up.
Oh, a knee to the face, and the bird is out of commission. But here comes Dalton Gates. About messed itself up on that one. And the referee's counting. And he's on number 4. And the bird is feeling it, but and Gates. Here comes Gates. He is going on the top rope. But here comes the bird. Bird. And now he goes for the pin. And the bird kicks out. 2 count. So what do you think about this match? Because now we see that Dalton Gates is now going to the top rope, and it looks like a frog splash. And it's over. That is it.
And your winner is Dalton Gates.
Dalton Gates is the winner.